What? Oh, I thought it was a fish.
It was.
It was, but I didn't get it.
I was going to catch a little fish, but the fish just goes up to his face.
Why don't you use the same?
Because they're dead.
And they don't eat them.
Sambra.
Ah!
That was fun, honey.
It was
and I
clean.
recorded it.
Did you record it?
Yeah.
It was clean. It was in the water.
No, the water's not clean.